Okay, we just have to give titles to all your pictures so you know what's what, and then we can put them in. So to do that, open your Finder, click down in the bottom and open your Finder. And then what I'd like you to do is click on Desktop, and then click on, there's several views, let's see up here, and I would like you to click on the one with the columns, 3 columns. And then if you scroll down to your screenshots, I have a lot. You probably don't have very many. You probably just have your pictures. So you're going to click on your screenshot and see how a picture shows up here. So you can see what it is. Now click on it one more time, just once, and it should look like that. And now you can give it a name, so when you switch them out, you'll be able to find it. So this one will say guys swimming. And then hit enter. And then I have so many you don't, but now see guys swimming. And then when it comes time for to replace your pictures, you'll be able to just drag one out and then drag the new one in. All right? Okay, bye.